good Friday night, at least for me. The idea of the quick video is to do a smoke test. This machine was brought to me by somebody in the neighborhood. They found the machine outside one of the neighbor schools. Sadly, they let it fall. They pick. It was in a bike and it fall from there. So sadly, the machine goes bang pretty bad. The speaker is gone. I disconnected that, no problem. At the front, the case is fixable. Even the case is not in the best color, let's say, but is recoverable. We have a BigFoot hard disk. It kind of went off the screws there, so hopefully it survived. In worst case scenario, I didn't have any of this one for my collection, so I'm going to take one way or the other. And the machine don't have pretty much anything. I suspect that was being used for something, working administration or something like that, and they never bought to add anything. Maybe there was something here, some card, a network card that was salvaged before the machine was abandoned. The CD-ROM drive was changed at some point, obviously. And well, I'm going to use my known good AT PCU because I should have to take this apart and maybe something floating around the other PCU. So to not risk that, I'm going to use the known one. So let's do a smoke test and see if the board still is alive or whatever, and the sounds from the hard drive. So give me a sec. Put out the light. Turn it on, and there we go. We have power. We have signal, I think. Should be, yes, Pentium 233. Oh, looks like it's alive. Well, hot damn. The last time was used, looked like they didn't close the system properly. Hard disk sounds good. Nice activity LED there. It's loading. I was expecting a Windows 95. Oh, okay. Let's see if we reach anywhere. Oh, now I noticed that the metal is bent. So yeah, I'm going to take this apart to straight this before trying to glue. Nice impact. Yes, and the drives are, yeah. Oh, the mouse is working. Yep, the serial port is working. So yeah, hot damn, it's alive. See what version of Windows 90. There, come on, focus. There you go. Second edition. I will not give my opinion about that username. It's obviously fake, like most of the software in Argentina. Let's see the hard drive before moving on and ending the video. Well, we have a survivor, right? I'm not going to test out the drive. Let's see this open at least. Yeah. It's open. It's in the best position to read, but yeah, you can close. so maybe it's working. And let's see, 1.2 gigabytes, have a good chunk free. Let's try something quick, see what happens with Scandex. I'm going to go in-depth analysis later. Try to see any immediate red flag. Nothing so far. Everything looks fine. Wow. Nice. Well, that fell off. So awesome. We have a survivor here. Nothing too crazy in terms of programs. Some kind of PDF readers. Office 97 2000. Let's see. Oh, sorry. Trash track. Let's see what. Oh, Word 2000 is working. So yeah, doesn't look like they leave anything behind, or at least they were wise enough to wipe out the data before storage the computer. Who knows? But looks pretty clean. Wow. So an all Windows game. Wow. Oh, memory. Okay, the hardest game, precisely. But we have some games. I'm going to copy that. Oh, we have something more here. Wonder if they work. Nah, I didn't want to click there. Yeah. Interesting. Something to copy there, and driver reversal. I don't know what type of driver is this. I'm going to try to look up later. The only interesting thing so far, and maybe this something to convert to PDF looks like. I don't know that one. Pretty clean aside that. So yep, I'm going to have to do some work to reconstruct this case, but I think it's worth the work because aside this bit oxide here is in pretty good shape, and the colored front. So I think I have a similar case in the collection. Yeah, I think this one is a close match, but in any case I'm going to try to recover the case. So thank you for watching the video. I'm going to try to do an update when I try to put together a bit more, at least put the drive straight and maybe glue the front. We'll see. So yeah, we have a survivor, a Pentium 233 megabytes. Let's see before ending the video if we can see the motherboard model. Going to pause. Let's see if we can pause into right mode. Yeah, there we go. and USB Vex Pro, USB Ultra, something like that, 1987. Go to the BIOS. Okay, the clock is not working very well, but it's not so out of date, so yeah, I need to change the battery. Well, pretty standard stuff, but the setup data was not completely gone, so we assume that the configuration is pretty much like it was the last time was used. So yeah, thank you for watching the video, and we'll try to do a follow-up later.